Welcome to the masterpiece, Timothy Hara.
Hello my people, welcome back to the channel. My name is Timothy Hara, the masterpiece. Guys, in today's video we are going to look at Kansenshi Plaza. So this building has been here for some time now, and this building is opposite Nortec here in NDOLA Zambia. So this is what we are going to look at, and this road that you are seeing goes to Mitengo residential areas, one of the expensive area here in NDOLA Zambia. So we are heading to the same plaza, the tallest building here in NDOLA, and what you're going to see in this video is you're going to see the Kansenshi police, you're going to see the Kansenshi market and the plaza itself. In Zambia, a lot of buildings, a lot of schools, a lot of things were constructed by the Colonial people. So this time, this is when people, they are building their own buildings, but they cannot build what the Colonial people has already been built. There is no one who has matched that those kinds of buildings, and I don't know if there is anyone who can compete, because all these buildings that you see in Zambia, NDOLA, Kitwe, Lusaka, Kasama, all those buildings, they were being built by the Colonial people. Even here in Zambia, the Kansenshi itself was being built by the Colonial people. As we've just inherited, which we did not build. So you can see there is Nortec here, there is Plaza here, and Plaza, it's one of the building which was built by the Colonial people, and it is one of the tallest building here in NDOLA Zambia.
Standing in the parliament.
We do fail to build our own buildings, and we also do fail to clean the buildings which was being built for us. When you look at the status of this building, it's just that you're watching it on the video, but when you get close, I'm telling you, the building doesn't look like so nice. It doesn't look so nice when you get close. So dirty. And I thank God the people who are building this, or the people who are in front of this, directing this, they had to choose the pan bricks, because pan bricks you cannot see the difference if the building is dirty or it's not dirty. But when you get close, this is when you're going to find out to say the building is not okay. So guys, make sure you like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel, click on the notification button for you to get all my latest videos. And I'm going to travel the whole Zambia, just doing this for you, to show you what is happening here in Zambia and some other vlogs.
Standing in the parliament.